I've been trying to knock these rivets off, and I ain't having any luck. I ain't got a big enough hammer. So I'm left with grinding them off here, and that's no picnic, because face it, I'm blind in one eye and can't see out of the other, so it's kind of just for me, it's kind of like a hunting peck. Here we go. Safety glasses. Got this camera reversed. It's not the hardest job in the world. There's steel rivets, so when you grind on it, you can tell when you're on the rivet, because it'll really throw the sparks. When you hit the aluminum, it spark not so much. And you know, plus, let's see, make sure this is okay. I got it inverted where it's looking at me. So if I gouge this up a little bit, this here, it's not a big deal, because I'm not going to be able to use it. Maybe I can, I don't know, we'll see. But right here is where the hole has to go for the gooseneck, right in there. So I'm just grinding these off out through there. I've got 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 more. And I've been grinding on this here, but I don't want to grind too much on the frame right here. Okay. All right, now right here. I don't want to grind too much on this, so I'm going to grind a little bit on it. Once I get these ground off, I'll take a hammer or a sledgehammer or something and see if I can't, you know, break it loose or something. Because I don't want to grind too much on that, on the C channel. And I got to do the same thing over here. There's a weld there. I got to grind off. And then, you see in the beginning, I got to cut this into, let's see, yeah, I'll cut it right there. Haha! It's out. Ta-da! Couple good hits, couple good hits with a hammer. She came right out. Not too shabby. You can see where I nicked the frame, but all's well is well. Same thing on the other side. Ow! Okay, I just got a piece of metal on my finger. Aluminum. Alrighty, well, so what I'm gonna do next go around, once I get the hole cut for the center, I'm probably going to take, I guess I'll have to get some cut. I may have to put a treated something through here, and I will reuse this to go across just like it was, just probably either up front or in the back. I guess it really don't matter. So that piece there is 1, 2, 3, roughly 2 foot. You can move it out. Aluminum is 40 to 50% lighter than steel, so it shows. When I hit it with the hammer and it come off, I was afraid it was going to be heavy, but it was actually light. Light as aluminum. So anyways, thanks for watching. Comment if you like. Subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, later.